Hello and welcome back to another Out of Spec Reviews video. Welcome to another charging station video. You guys know I love charging infrastructure and seeing what's going on in the world, and this is one of the most ingenious inventions, and they're going in all over Europe. So we are here at BK World's headquarters, I think. They are sort of a general contractor construction company, and they are partnering with Tesla to install these BK World lounges at a bunch of supercharging stations around Europe. So we haven't been inside yet. We just walked up. We plugged in our ID5 somewhere over there at a level 2 station, walked over, and yeah, let's go see what the future of supercharger lounges look like. This is pretty cool. Walking up now to the supercharger, we're in between sort of, if you triangulate, Frankfurt, Stuttgart, and Augsburg, and we're right in the middle. It's sort of this little bubble, if you will. But this is a version 3 supercharger. I don't know how many there are. A ton, it looks like. 16 to 20 would be my guess. And take a look at this. This is so cool. So BK World is like a general contractor. I guess they did all the Volvo dealerships around Europe, sort of planning, in Germany. And these will be going in Germany, Austria, and I think Switzerland is sort of the general plan. And you can see the idea here is they have an automatic pizza machine. They have an automatic shopping machine for snacks. They have a lounge, a coffee station, restrooms, and of course charging. And what's interesting about this is we've had this idea. Everyone I've spoken to has come up to me and said, Kyle, I have this incredible idea and it's gonna revolutionize charging. And they're like, why don't we just put these little pods next to superchargers? Because when you're charging up for 25, 30 minutes, sometimes you're in the middle of nowhere and it could be late at night. And sometimes all you just want is a coffee, a place to pee, and a place to grab a snack, well lit, safe, modern looking. And I've always had the idea, like, how cool would it be to put some, I don't know, containers next to a supercharger and, have automatic vending machines. I think, Jordan, you've heard me talk about the automatic dumpling machine I wanted to install at different superchargers and charging stations around. But BK actually is doing it. And this is the first of its kind that we've been to that looks this modern. If you guys haven't watched it, we actually just did a video of a 200,000 mile Tesla Model X. In that video, I took you on a quick tour of I would say, rudimentary version of this, but I even thought that was pretty amazing. So we want to be careful because there's just tons of people around, and in Germany, there's like privacy things, and you really shouldn't just film people like you can in the US. So you can see everything's charging up here, looking good, all Model 3s and one Model Y. And then we have the BK World Lounge. Styling wise, this place looks amazing, doesn't it? Just so cool looking, very modern looking. Really like it. And then I do want to take a look at this automatic pizza machine in a second, but you can see here you just have your typical entrance sign, which is pretty neat. It's not a touch screen, but just some advertisements going for some drinks and things like that. If we walk on over this way, you'll see on the right-hand side is all the charging equipment here at this particular installation. Really nice supercharger, by the way, really, really cool. And then we get to the automatic pizza. It says you can get pizza in 4 minutes. Are you kidding me? We got to try that. What do you think, Jordan? Yeah, for sure. So definitely going to give this a go after we go inside on a quick tour. But let's go see this for the first time. We're going to do our best not to film people if possible. And I really think this is interesting. This is like an odd location because it's not off a major highway. We are kind of in the middle of nowhere. There's nothing else nearby. You can say BK Group even has their own Tesla Model 3 right over there. But all right, let's go see what we have going on here. Guys, I'd like to thank Chesapeake Climate Action Network Action Fund for sponsoring today's video. Now, we've told you about what they're doing over the last few weeks, and it's actually super exciting. They are giving away a Rivian R1T Launch Edition that they already have possession of, and they're ready to give it to you as soon as someone wins this raffle. So here's the deal. They are undersold. They've only sold about 1,700 tickets out of 4,000, which means if you already have purchased a ticket with them or you're thinking about doing it, your odds may never be better. So head to evraffle.org and purchase a ticket so you can soon, hopefully, win a Rivian R1T. Let's say you don't want a Rivian R1T, you could also choose to opt for a Tesla. You could go for a fully optioned Model S or Model X Plaid. They give you $135,000 worth of Tesla credits for you to go spend. Pretty incredible. Anyway, thank you so much to Chesapeake Climate Action Network Action Funds for sponsoring today's video. Go buy a ticket. Your odds will never be better to earn and hopefully win one of these awesome vehicles. So we scan this code, register and log in to the BK World app, open a personal QR code, and then you scan it. So interesting, and I guess it makes sense because they don't just want anyone going in there. They want to know who goes in an unmanned pod. So that's a pretty good idea for safety already. What's not a good idea is, here we go, we're finally there. So I can change this to English, that's good. I'm gonna put in an email and password, so I have to register. So I'm gonna put in all my details. My registration was successful. Log in with your credentials and get your personal QR code. Great, so I'll go here, I'll log in, logging in. So that's a one-time thing, now I can use any of them. I have my own little code, that worked nicely. Scanning, ow, door just opens.
No app needed.
No app needed, this is awesome. And it is just so cool in here, of course. So there's products that you can purchase over here on the left. So you can see it's sort of like, you know, trash cans, bottle return, I guess. You could put bottles in there, which is kind of neat. And then you can scan this code and choose whether you want a cup, if you want a power bank, if you want really good headphones, GoPro, so if we ever need to film something when we're not there, or what am I trying to say, if we ever need extra equipment when we're out and about, boom, GoPro right there. Working our way this way, we have pretty fresh snacks, really nice waters. Water's a tough one for me in Europe. It's hard to just get good, clean, not spritzy water. I don't know why they like sparkling water so much, but they do. And then, of course, just some more drinks. Coffee machine over here. You can do espressos, cappuccinos, lattes, everything. You can tap to pay. You can scan. All of these little items have scanning barcodes. So there's 2 office spaces as well. So you can kind of do this thing and then you can take a look. There's a little private phone booth, office space, if you will, wireless charger, and it gets really quiet in there. There's music playing right now. As soon as this door closes, you can't hear anything. There's another one on the other side. Gaming machine, so you could have some fun playing Mario Kart if you wanted to, and it just seems like the perfect little area. And then take a look at the view out the front here with the charging station just in full frame. It's really a nice spot for sure. So heading over here, you can see the restrooms. We're not going to take you into the restrooms, of course, but just nice, high quality, good sinks, good materials, good vibe, feels pretty nice. And yeah, all around a really wonderful installation, I have to say. They've done a great job here, BK World, BK Group, with these cubes. I think it's a wonderful solution if there's a charging station that needs to be installed in an area that's not necessarily near shops, buildings, restaurants, etc. But what do you say now we head over towards the pizza machine out there and we see if it can actually make us a pizza in 4 minutes. So I'm really looking forward to trying that. We got to give it a 1-bite score. But what an incredible place. You get power ports everywhere, free Wi-Fi. That doesn't actually work right now. And yeah, really loving this installation. All right, well, that was pretty cool in there, I would say. And it just seems like a great idea, tapping your QR code to all the things around that you need. That way it's tracked, that way they know who's doing what. I mean, I guess you could put fake info in there. I don't know how safe and secure you can really get, but I think overall, pretty good effort. And now you join us over here at the pizza station, which smells incredible because some folks just ordered theirs. So I can tap the screen here and it's not in English. So I click over here and I go to English US. Nice, choose our products. So we could get a barbecue one, a salami, original margarita, prosciutto. I'm gonna go for the salami. And that looks pretty good, doesn't it? Yep. So order the salami pizza. It says €8.90. Add. Jordan, you want anything?
Top left.
Okay, Jordan wants the barbecue one, so we'll go for that. That looks pretty good. Order, €8.90, add, but done. Hit continue. Okay, pay. We'll insert card. Boom. And then it says, try to win a free product. Try my luck, sure. What is this, now a casino? What the heck? Okay. I don't think we won anything. Lost. So what you should do is 2 separate orders then to increase your chances of winning. And then take a look here. You can see we have, this one is searching, product search for barbecue, and this one's hot delivery. I don't know what that means. Now it says product found. So what did go to the, went to the supermarket? Yeah, that's good. Oh, it's clicking, it's making noises. It's like contactors on the charging. The fans are on, cable cooling's on. Actually, no, that was the Model 3. And so now, preheating in progress. Very nice. And product search. So it's doing 2 at once, Jordan. Wow. So it can split the power between. That's good. Fans just kicked off. 4 minutes, 20 seconds remaining. That's funny that it starts at that number. Little pizza update. We're about halfway through. Looks like Jordan's going to beat the salami.
Barbecue, baby.
Barbecue seems to be quicker than the salami grande. You know, Germans don't do pepperoni on their pizza.
Really?
You're just finding this out?
Yeah.
When have you ever seen pepperoni? We've had a lot of pizza here. We haven't seen it once.
I haven't.
Yeah, they don't eat pepperoni. They eat salami on their pizza, which is weird. And so, yeah, just, I guess we could say juicing up over here. And now everyone has left, so we can film freely, which is great. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pizza. Oh, wow, that was like perfect timing. No way. And then you get,
That looks pretty good.
doesn't look half bad. Not New York level, but we'll rate it, that's for sure. I'm ordering a cappuccino, but I forgot to put the freaking cup in there. I was like, everything else is automatic. You still got, it didn't even say like load up the cup, I don't think.
It does.
It just said, yeah, pay, and then this started going. I'm like, is it cleaning itself? Whoops. So got a little bit less milk in the cappuccino, but that's okay. So, is it a cappuccino that I'm getting?
I think that's what you said.
I don't even know what I clicked on. Anyway, pretty sick. What do you give the pizza on a score?
Ingredients, pretty good. Consistency, not great.
So what's the score, Jordan?
5.
That's an amateur score. You can't do an even number.
No, it's even.
Nope, that's...
Love the ingredients, hate the consistency.
Yeah, but not a one-biter.
Yeah, I'm not.
Anyway, thanks for watching another Out of Spec Reviews video. We leave you now from the Supercharger Lounge at the BK World. This is the coolest idea. Can't wait to see more of these, and let us know if you guys like these videos. I'd love to keep driving around to different charging stations and show you what all the different ideas people have are to make charging better. Well, you joined me a couple days later where I've actually done a little bit more research on this installation, and thanks to my friend Christoph, he watched some German interviews and I can provide you with some more information. By the way, sitting in a wonderful $200,000 Taycan Turbo with night vision, and so this will, you'll see videos on this coming soon at top speed. Can't wait. Anyway, here's what Christoph said. He said that they plan to do 300 installations of these in the next 3 years, 100 of them every year. Sustainability is super important. This is why they use a heat pump and wood as building material for the cube. The cooperation between BK and Tesla seems to be excellent. So this collaboration, cooperation, this partnership they have with Tesla is awesome. Security plays a role. They will illuminate the car parks, and there will be an emergency call within the lounge, and cameras are also installed. I guess that's about as much as you can reasonably do. The pizza oven stores 96 frozen pizza, and the oven works with 400 degrees Celsius to prepare the pizza. It only takes 4 minutes, of course. And the next generation of mobile pizza places will do it in 2 minutes, which actually would help with throughput because we had to wait in line before we shot the video. So the 2-minute one I'm looking forward to. Anyway, just a little bit more information for you about this cube. I can't wait to see more of them. Maybe we should show them. We're inside the walls at Porsche. This is like an internal parking plaza at Porsche. Just massive 350 kilowatt chargers like in every parking lot. It's awesome. Anyway, we got to go drive this Taycan and rip around. So we'll see you on the next one soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.